Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you that what is notice writing and how to write a notice. So let's start. What is notice writing? Notice is a short composition meant to formally communicate a piece of information about some event or happening to a group of people to whom it may concern. In short, we can say that notice is a short composition and it is a formal way of communicating to a particular group of people. Notice may be written to give information about sports event, cultural event, change in rules and regulation, meeting, declaration of holidays, and arranged visit by an eminent person. So here are the guidelines for writing notice. The first guideline is a notice is written within a box. When we start writing a notice, first we are supposed to draw a box. Then the name of a school or issuing authority should be written on the top in block letters. Third, the word notice should be written in bold. Next, date should be mentioned on the left hand side. The day you're writing a notice, that date should be mentioned. Precise title should be clearly given to indicate what the notice is all about. The notice must be simple and concise, and tone must be impartial and formal. Words like I, we should be avoided. It is usually written in third person. It must contains all relevant information related to subject including date, time, place and any other details if required. As I have already told you in the previous point that a notice should be precise and simple. On the lower bottom corner of the notice, that is at the end of notice, we are supposed to write the name and designation of a person who is writing a notice. So here is the format of notice writing. So you can see first a box is drawn. After drawing a box, we are supposed to write the name of an organization or school. Imagine you are the principal of a school and you are going to conduct a program for the parents, orientation program for parents of standard 7. So you are circulating a notice to the student to get informed about this program. So here first in the top we'll write the name of a school, that is NML Kerala Public School, in block letters. After writing the name of a school, you're supposed to leave one line and then we'll write this word notice in block letters. After writing notice, we'll leave one line and just to the left hand side we'll write down the date. Here you can see the way I have written the date. After writing the date, again leave one line and in the middle you're supposed to write the title or the topic. It should not be in block letters, only the beginning should be in capital letters. So as I told you that you are going to hold a program that is for orientation program for parents. So here in topic you can write orientation program for parents of class 7. So this will be your concise topic or you can say title. So now you will start writing the content after leaving one line. Content should include program, date, time and venue. Like you are conducting a program, as I already told you, that is orientation program for parents, so you will mention that the school. So remember the point in guidelines, there was one point that we should never use the word I and we. So here when we'll start writing the content, we'll not like write that I am going to conduct, so or we are going to conduct. Here we will write the school is going to conduct an orientation program for parents. Date, you will mention that on which date this program is supposed to be held. Then time, suppose 10 a.m. to 12 noon. And venue, you can write the school auditorium. So once you complete this content, then at the end, leaving one line, your signature should be there. As you are the principal, you have issued this notice, so your signature should be there. Just in the next line, full name should be written and designation, that is the post. So here in place of designation we will write principal. So this is the format of writing a notice. Thank you.